What does this one say, Sevian?
It says, get well soon.
Oh, good. I'll take it. It's for Gina. I want to mail it to her.
Yeah, that's a nice idea.
Yeah, there's only one problem.
What's that?
I forgot how to do that.
Oh, well, I'll help you.
Oh, great.
You put your name and address in this corner right here.
Well, there's one other problem. I don't write very well either.
Well, I'll do it. I'll do it.
Great.
Okay. Put your name and address in this corner, right? Harry Monster.
That's me.
Sesame Street.
That's where I live.
That's right. And New York. And zip.
Great place to live, but I wouldn't want to visit.
And you put Gina right in the center. Gina Jefferson. Sesame Street.
Oh, boy.
Right?
Yeah.
New York. And zip. Right?
That makes it get there fast, right?
Right. Now you need a stamp right here. Okay. Put it in this corner. And now all you do is walk out there to that mailbox and drop it right in.
Oh, great. I'll be right back.
What a nice monster.
Done.
That was quick.
Oh, I want her to get it today.
Oh, she won't get it today. She'll get it in a few days.
A few days?
Yeah, that's how the regular mail works.
But I want her to get it today.
Huh? What was that? It was Harry. I told him that the card he mailed to Gina would get there in a few days, and he ran off saying he wanted to get it today. Whoa, stop! Harry, don't move!
Stop. Huh? What's the problem?
You can't rip the mailbox out of the ground.
But I want Gina to get my card today. I was going to take the mailbox over to her house.
You can't. The mailbox is for everybody to use.
That's right. It stays here.
Why don't you go and visit her? It's better than a card anyway.
Yeah, you're right.
Sesame Street has been brought to you today by the letters K and T and by the number 20. Sesame Street is a production of the Children's Television Workshop, naturally.